Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Yakima Ridgeback 5 hanging style bike rack. This bike rack is easy to use and a reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends and family. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of its features. For 1¼ hitches, you need to remove the adapters using the provided Allen wrenches. You can now put the bike rack on the vehicle so we can complete the installation. Insert the pin on the driver's side. We can now unlock the anti-wobble. Lift up on the bike rack to tighten it down to a snug fit. Do not over tighten. Before we load the bikes, we'd like to show you the tilt away feature. Pulling on this handle allows you to tilt the bike rack away to access your cargo area. Please do not do so with the bikes on or the arms out. As you can see, we're already low enough to the ground. If the arms were out, you could cause damage to the rack. We can now raise the bike rack into the in-use position by lifting on the handle and raising our arms. We are now ready to load our bikes. Your first bike must be loaded with the handlebars on the passenger side of the vehicle, so this cradle will mate up with the down tube of the bike. We can now insert our zip strips. Your handlebars will be opposite of the first and you will rotate with every bike on the way out. Yakima has provided a support strap to keep our tires from bouncing around during our adventure, and it is long enough for you to do all 5 bikes. Place the strap through the left, back down through the right, tie up your excess. That concludes our review of the Yakima Ridgeback 5. Thank you very much for watching, and we can't wait to see you out there. This rack weighs 35.5 pounds, can hold up to 5 bikes. Each bike can weigh up to 40 pounds, but cannot exceed a total weight capacity of 150 pounds for the rack. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.